We are in Aleppo city, the city known to be the financial capital of Syria. On contrary of all media propaganda, the city looks normal. Traffic is usual as described by our driver, and the residents of Aleppo cannot be more warm and generous. Early in the next morning, we set our cameras, heading to Al-Hamadaniya area. It's an area bordering the famous Salah ad-Din neighborhood, or as the foreign-backed militia calling themselves Free Syrian Army wishes to call it, Bab Amr of Aleppo. It took us 15 minutes of driving through the streets of Aleppo to get our destination. Our way was smooth, no gunshots heard, and no militia existence all the way. The smell of death is everywhere in Al-Hamadaniya. Abandoned houses are the first thing you notice upon your arrival. Burned buildings, and a fast Syrian commander is studying his map of the area, telling his soldiers to prepare their weapons.
We are now here. The armed groups have retreated from most of Salah ad-Din area to parts of the neighborhood, and now we are chasing them.
Syrian soldiers were highly motivated and doing their duties with enthusiasm. Press TV crew wanted to stay longer with them, but our schedule was tight, so we had to move on. Salah ad-Din area is our destination. This neighborhood had been evacuated by foreign-backed armed men who claimed to have all their manpower tactically withdrawn from the area, Syrian soldier told us in a sarcastic tone. Few snipers, 1.5 to 2 kilometers away, were left behind by the armed groups to kill everything and anything that moves. So running between the buildings, using narrow lanes and ducking our heads down